Hello students, today's topic is applications of first order differential equations. In this, the first one is Newton's law of cooling. So what is Newton's law of cooling? Newton's law of cooling. The rate of change of temperature of your body is proportional to the difference of the temperature of the body and that of surrounding medium. This is Newton's law of cooling. Okay. The rate of change of temperature of your body is proportional to the difference of the temperature of the body and that of surrounding medium. And that of surrounding medium. Surrounding medium usually air. Okay, this is Newton's law of cooling. Let theta be the temperature of the body. Theta be the temperature of the body at time t. At time t. Okay, and let theta naught be the temperature of the surrounding medium, that is usually air. Okay, of the surrounding medium. That is usually surrounding medium is usually air. Okay. Then by Newton's law of cooling, d theta by dt, that is rate of change of temperature, is proportional to the temperature of the body and that of surrounding medium. That means theta minus theta naught. D theta by dt is proportional to theta minus theta naught. Therefore, d theta by dt is equal to some constant into theta minus theta naught. Okay, say some minus k into theta minus theta naught, where k greater than 0 is proportional constant. Okay. That implies d theta by theta minus theta naught is equal to minus k dt. D theta by theta minus theta naught is equal to minus k dt. Integrating both sides, integral d theta by theta minus theta naught is equal to minus k integral dt. That is log theta minus theta naught is equal to minus k t. Integral dt is t plus some arbitrary constant, let it be log c. Okay, that implies log theta minus theta naught minus log c, log a minus log b, log a by b, log theta minus theta naught by c is equal to minus kt. Therefore, theta minus theta naught by c is equal to e power minus kt. That implies theta minus theta naught is equal to c e power minus kt. Okay. Suppose theta 1, let theta 1 be the initial temperature. Theta 1 be the initial temperature of the body. Initial temperature means when time is 0. Okay, that is when T is 0, theta is theta 1. Okay, let it be equation 1. Now substitute here, when time is 0, the temperature is theta 1. Therefore, theta 1 minus theta 0 is equal to C e power minus k into 0, since T is 0. That is C equal to theta 1 minus theta 0. Okay. Substitute the value of C here. Therefore, theta minus theta 0 is equal to C is theta 1 minus theta 0 into e power minus kt. That implies theta equal to theta 0 plus theta 1 minus theta 0 into e power minus kt, which gives the temperature of the body at any time t. Okay, see the problem? The temperature of your body drops from 100 degrees Celsius to 75 degrees Celsius in 10 minutes. In 10 minutes. When the surrounding air is at 20 degrees Celsius. What will be its temperature? What will be its temperature after half an hour? What will be its temperature after half an hour? When will the temperature be? When will the temperature be 25 degrees Celsius? Okay. Given that the temperature of your body drops from 100 to 75 degrees Celsius in 10 minutes, surrounding air temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. What we have to find here? What will be its temperature after half an hour? When will the temperature be 25 degrees Celsius? Okay. See the solution? Let theta be the temperature of the body at time t. Then by Newton's law of cooling, d theta by dt is equal to minus k into theta minus theta naught, where theta naught is temperature of surrounding medium, that is air. Okay. Where theta naught is air's temperature. Okay. That is equal to 20 degrees Celsius. Already given this is. Okay. It implies d theta by theta minus theta naught. That means theta minus 20 is equal to minus k dt. Okay. Now integrating log theta minus 20 is equal to minus kt. Integral d theta by theta minus 20 is log theta minus 20. Integral minus k dt. Minus k constant, integral dt is t plus some log c. Implies that log theta minus 20 by c is equal to minus kt. Which implies theta minus 20 by c is equal to e power minus kt. Implies that theta minus 20 is equal to c e power minus kt. Let it be equation 1. Okay. Given that initial temperature of the body is 100 degrees Celsius. Okay. That is when time is 0. When t is 0. Temperature is 100 degrees Celsius. Therefore, from this equation, 100 minus 20 is equal to c e power minus k into 0. Since t is 0, which implies that c equal to 80. Okay, the substitute the value of c here. Therefore, theta minus 20 is equal to 80 e power minus kt. Let it be equation 2. Okay. Now, the temperature of the body drops from 100 degrees to 75 in 10 minutes. That means when t is 10 minutes, temperature is 75 degrees Celsius. Therefore, substitute here 75 minus 20 is equal to 80 e power minus 10k. Since t is 10, okay, implies that e power minus 10k, 75 minus 20, 55, 55 by 80, that is 11 by 16, implies that minus 10k is equal to log 11 by 16, implies that k equal to 1 by 10 log 16 by 11. If we put this minus on RHS, minus log 11 by 16 means log 16 by 11. Okay, this is the value of k. That will be equation 3. Now we have to find the temperature of the body after half an hour. Okay, that is when t is 30 minutes. So we have to find the temperature. Okay, from equation 2. Equation 2 is theta minus 20 is equal to 80 e power minus kt. From equation 2, theta minus 20 is equal to 80 e power minus kt. What is t here? 30 minutes. K into 30. Okay, implies that theta equal to 20 plus 80 into e power minus 30 into what is the value of k? 1 by 10 log 16 by 11. Okay, that is equal to 20 plus 80 e power 30 by 10 is 3 e power minus 3 log 16 by 11. That is equal to 20 plus 80 into e power minus 3 log 16 by 11. Okay, you know that n log x is equal to log x power n. That's why this can be written as e power log 11 by 16 whole cube. Actually, this is log 16 by 11 whole power minus 3. Log 11 by 16 whole cube is equal to 20 plus 80 into 11 by 16 whole cube. You know that e power log x is x. Okay, so this is equal to 45.99. Okay, that is equal to 46 degrees Celsius. Okay, therefore after half an hour the temperature of the body is 46 degrees Celsius. Next we have to find the time when the temperature will be 25 degrees Celsius. When theta is 25 degrees Celsius, we have to find the time. Okay, from equation 2, theta minus 20 is equal to 80 e power minus kt. What is theta here? 25. 25 minus 20 is equal to 80 e power minus kt. Implies that e power minus kt is equal to 25 minus 20, 5 by 80. That is equal to 1 by 16. Implies that minus kt is equal to log 1 by 16. Implies that t equal to 1 by k log 16. That is equal to, already you know the value of k from equation 3. That is 1 by 10 log 16 by 11 into log 16. That is t equal to 10 log 16 by log 16 by 11, that is equal to 74.86 minutes. Okay. Next problem. A pot of boiling water (100°C) is removed from the fire and allowed to cool at 30°C room temperature. Okay. 2 minutes later, the temperature of the water in the pot, is 90°C. What will be its temperature after 5 minutes? What will be its temperature after 5 minutes? Okay. See the solution. Given that a pot of boiling water with 100°C temperature is allowed to cool at 30°C room temperature. Okay. And 2 minutes later, the temperature of the water in the pot is 90°C. We have to find the temperature of the water in the pot after 5 minutes. Okay. Let theta be the temperature of the water in the pot. Let theta be the temperature of the water in the pot at time t. Then by Newton's law of cooling, d theta by dt is equal to minus k into theta minus theta naught. From this we get theta minus theta naught is equal to c e power minus kt, where theta naught is room's temperature, that is 30°C, where theta naught is equal to 30°C. Okay. Initial temperature of the water in the pot is 100°C. That means when T is 0, theta is 100. Therefore, substitute here 100 minus, what is theta naught? 30 is equal to c e power minus k into 0. Since t is 0, okay, implies c equal to 70. Okay, substitute the value of c here. Theta minus 30 is equal to 70 e power minus k. Let it be equation 2. Here theta naught is 30. That is room's temperature. Okay. Given that 2 minutes later, the temperature of the water in the pot is 90°C. That means when t is 2 minutes, theta is 90°C. Therefore, substitute here 90 minus 30 is equal to 70 e power minus 2k. Since t is 2 minutes, okay, implies that e power minus 2k is equal to 90 minus 30, 60 by 70, that is 6 by 7. Okay, implies that minus 2k, e power minus 2k equal to 6 by 7. Okay, therefore minus 2k equal to log 6 by 7. Log 6 by 7 implies that k equal to 1 by 2 log 7 by 6. If you write this minus on RHS, then minus log 6 by 7, that is log 7 by 6. Okay. Let it be equation 3. This is the value of K. Now what we have to find? After 5 minutes, what will be the temperature of the water in the pot? Okay. It is when T is 5 minutes. So I have to find the temperature of the water in the pot. Okay, theta. Now from equation 2, so you get theta minus 30 is equal to 70 e power minus kt. T means 5 minus 5k. Okay. Implies this is from equation 2. Okay. Theta minus 30 is equal to 70 e power minus 5 into, from equation 3, k value is of log 7 by 6. Of log 7 by 6. So implies that theta equal to 30 plus 70 e power minus 5 by 2 log 7 by 6. That is equal to 30 plus 70 into e power log, this can be written as 6 by 7 whole power 5 by 2. Okay. That is equal to 30 plus 70 into 6 by 7 whole power 5 by 2. This is equal to 77.46 degrees Celsius. Okay. Okay students, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.